Dalton Clan is here at Cape May Point State Park, and as you can see, the state of New Jersey. I'm going to be here for a little while. I'm going to try to take some video from within the park. And look at that. That screams drone video. We'll see what we can do. They don't allow drones here within the park, but yeah, we're not going to be in the park, so. Sort of a close-up of the lighthouse here. Looks like the gates are locked right now for some reason. Believe it or not, this lighthouse is still used, even in this modern day. With GPS and all, mariners can actually use this light to get a bearing of where they are as they approach the mouth of the Delaware Bay. Here's some information here about lighthouses in general. Coming into the visitor center here. American Indian artifacts here. We have some taxidermy here, some of the animals that we can possibly see here. I'm not sure about that. Looks like an otter. They're happy in the weather, that's for sure. Well, you don't want to run into that guy.
I was going to go grab some more water.
You check out the museum building here. Going to see some live animals in here. There's some history.
Yeah,
we have a gun battery out there on the beach.
Oh my God.
Battery 223, I believe is what it is. That's, the ruins of it are still out on the beach.
Barnacles. I see the jackknife clams. Most of these
Tower number 23 is in the previous video of mine. That's actually up there on the Cape May Point, the very tip of Cape May Point.
Those are the eggs of
one of my videos.
You know,
Southern
that big flat thing?
New Jersey Short Points, I think it was called. And the reason why they had the gun batteries and the lookout, the fire control towers, were because of the U-boat activity, which was purported to be off the Jersey coast during World War II. You see some information here about that. Now the fire control towers, here's some information here. They were built to spot the enemy German ships And these towers were then called the fire control towers because the guns of Battery 223 could not be aimed and fired without the target coordinates provided by the tower crews. Targets were sighted using triangulation. The sighting from 2 towers was necessary to accurately aim the guns. Target information was then telephoned to the plotting room of Battery 223, and powerful searchlights were used to eliminate the targets at night. Interesting. I know we had the one tower there up near Sunset Beach, and I believe there was another one on top of a hotel in Cape May. That was the second tower they used for triangulation.
Somewhere.
And both those towers are still there.